Hi everyone, welcome back to AFARCO PNP. Here's the AFARCO PNP machine running right now. What's special is that it's running on Ubuntu 24.4.4 LTS. Combining this operating system with OpenPnP 2.6 delivers an amazing experience. The camera and control processing speeds are incredibly fast and smooth. Compared to the Windows version, I feel that OpenPnP on Ubuntu is excellent. It's very smooth processing, very low latency. Using Ubuntu doesn't change much. You still install OpenPnP and use the same config files as you do on Windows. A lot of my customers recommend Ubuntu and it's a fantastic idea to explore. What about you? Have you tried it yet? Let me know what you think in the comments. Goodbye for now.